unconditional statement. In unconditional statements, we have break, continue and go to. Break, continue and go to. So please try to understand here. Break. Break is used for exiting the control from the block. Whenever we are executing a piece of code, I am writing a break statement, which means it will unconditionally make your control come outside of the block. Now let us see this example. For I equal to 0, I less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. This for loop I will be explaining you immediately. Now if I equal to 2, then I am saying break, which means whenever you are iterating, whenever your I value reaches to 2, your control will come outside of the loop. It will not execute the remaining statements. So we will be practically seeing this. Break is used to come out of the loop or come out of the block. The next one is continue. As we have seen, break comes out of the block. Continue will skip the iteration. Continue will skip the iteration and execute the piece of code, rest of the piece of code. So we will be seeing practically this. Instead of writing break, if I write continue, then instead of printing that value 2, it prints the rest of all values. We can see in detail when we are going with the practical session. Next, the last one is go to. Go to followed by label name. So wherever the label name, exact label name is appeared in the program, your control flow will directly go to that particular block and execute the piece of code from there. As we know that our C programming starts from top to bottom. Whenever it is encountering such kind of a go to or unconditional statements, it will comes out or it will perform certain action according to the specific keyword. This is about unconditional statements.
Let us see one example program.
We shall see an example of go to. We all know that go to is an unconditional statement. So the problem statement for go to, to understand the working of go to statement. So we know the syntax of go to. So once again I am repeating over here. Go to followed by label name. Whatever the label name you are writing, followed by whatever the statements which you are writing. After this, if you want your control to jump to this label name, this is how we need to write it. This is how we are going to write the go to. Now let us execute and check practically. stdio.h int main. Here I am giving the value of int a equal to 50 and printing the value of a equal to %d/n. I am just printing the value of a, whatever I have read it. Now next I am writing here go to jump. Jump is my label name. Here I am updating the value of a equal to 100 and I'm trying to print the value of A equal to percentile D slash n. I'm just printing the value of A. Next here I am writing jump. Here I am writing printf, or I will just update one more value of A equal to 200. Printf A equal to percentile D slash n comma A, return 0. Now let us see the output of this program. So if we can closely see this program, int A equal to 50, A value is being printed as 50. Immediately your control is being encountered with a goto statement, goto followed by jump. So whenever it encounters the label name as jump, it looks for the specific label name. So here A value is 100, it is not modified because your control has been jumped from here to this location, that is from line number 16 to line number 19. Now then A value is updated to 200 and then you got the A value as 200. So in middle these statements are not executed. So goto is nothing but it jumps to the location where you are writing with the exact label name. So this is how the goto statement works.